Good morning, girls.
I was about to say.
I
know what. First full day in Barcelona.
Day 2. We're going to this bakery. We're on the farm.
De Barcelona farm.
Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
We have a 30-minute walk ahead of us to the beach. This is where we are now. Oh, girls.
Listen.
I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib, talk come through, it's time to break it in.
You got a beer? Go, you could have asked me to open up for you. What the heck?
Oh, you're eating.
Funny enough. Oh, they're like Oh, yeah. I like them.
Cause the niggas try breaking in. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights.
What's happening?
I'm gonna take you to swim.
Okay.
But I can't swim well. Hold on, my name.
Go, girls. Go, TT. Oh, how was your ride?
I just swallowed some water. I highly recommend Michaela do the Island for Uber swim.
Uber swim.
Okay, go, mate.
Okay.
Lay down.
Just lay down. Put your arms out. Yeah. Lift your hips more.
Lift your hips. Your hips must be up. Your hips need to be up. Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Get it.
Oh, fuck. We need goggles, goddammit. No, honestly.
It's under her foot. Oh, no. It's like, wait.
Oh, that's it.
No, it is it. Wait.
Wait. Hold me.
I got it.
Stop it. You got it?
I got it. Let's see.
White Toys did that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Go. Say, come on, guys. Come on. Just push me.
What the heck?
Smack up the back. I didn't mean to do that again. Wow, I had literally so much force. No, I felt it.
It's been a minute, had the poppers from the recreate the feeling. Ooh, Never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down.
Cheers.
Down for you.